Hi Grade 2, welcome to our first lesson in Design and Technology. Today we will be investigating the different design concepts and technological advances in Australia's car industry. Today we are going to be looking at cars from then and now to see how these differences have evolved over time. After we've looked at the video, I want you all to design your own car of the future. This may take some time, so this video will help you to observe and gather some ideas to create an energy-efficient car by exploring the technologies needed to realize your car's design solutions. So let's get started. Throughout time, design and technological advances are constantly aiming to improve. This video demonstrates a short history of how car safety evolution and technologies from then, now, and into the future. The early years of car manufacturing established many different power systems and design concepts. Some of our modern-day technologies were included in these cars, like electronic ignition systems, independent suspension, front-end engines, and hydraulic brakes. In 1921, headrests were introduced to prevent whiplash from rear-end collisions. By 1948, padded dashboards are designed to reduce face and chest injuries for the driver and front passenger in a front-on collision. The 1970s saw car safety designs advancing. 1970. The seatbelt is now compulsory in Australia. To this day, the design of the seatbelt is considered to be one of the most important car safety inventions of all time. In 1978, electronic anti-lock braking system is introduced. This reduces skidding when a driver brakes heavily and helps prevent loss of control of the vehicle in a potential crash situation. During the 1980s, the car industry faced many challenges and financial hardships. It also saw the introduction of new laws to stem car pollution and fuel efficiencies. In 1981, the first ever driver's airbag is introduced. This protects the driver from a front-on collision. Throughout the 90s, technology paved the way for future car ideas with major advancements in online computers, meaning air conditioning, automatic windows and sunroofs were being fitted in all small and luxury cars. In 1995, electronic stability control is introduced to help drivers avoid crashes by reducing the danger of skidding. Again, in 2000, technologies are advancing with the most energy-conscious cars available are now electric vehicles. These cars use electricity rather than fossil fuels to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide produced while cutting down on expensive fuel. In 2004, blind spot information systems use reversing cameras and motion sensors to assist the driver when parking or changing lanes to prevent a collision. By 2011, adaptive cruise control is introduced. This uses radar to adjust the car's speed based on the car in front with the simple push of a button. Cars in the future. Cars in the near future will be fuel efficient and use zero emissions. They will use high technology electronics and software to assist drivers in a variety of ways. Vehicles will communicate with each other and traffic signals. Trucks of the future will use vision enhancement devices to help navigate through bad weather or warn of a possible collision. Can you think of any other design features or technological advances that a car of the future may need to be more efficient for the user? The next page will give you ideas for the major components needed to design your car, and thanks for watching the video. The major components of your designed car are to include a chassis or body of the car, an engine, a transmission, a steering system, a brake system, a fuel delivery system, an exhaust system, an electrical system, the components of a computer system that uses a central processing unit, memory chips and a hard disk, a keyboard, a mouse, a camera and a microphone, a screen, a printer and speakers, USB and Ethernet cards.